Hey crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we're headed to my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, and lots of new fun items have arrived that I cannot wait to share. So no need to keep you waiting. Let's dive in. So as you see, I'm going down the Christmas aisle and I spotted a few items that definitely could be used for crafting. Check out this bead strand. This is garland bead. I've never seen this at the Dollar Tree. These are 100% wood, painted in different colors, and they're 4 feet long for $1.25. You buy 4 of these, you have 16 feet of string. Now another item that's great for crafting are these macrame craft kits. I've never seen these before. They come with the macrame cord, all of the wood pieces, and this one is a little gnome. Now they had a couple of more of these. Here's one with little deer antlers. Again, it comes with all the cording, all of the wood pieces. So even if you don't want to make the project feature, you can load up on macrame cord and wood pieces for other projects. Check out this one that's a Christmas tree. I think this one is adorable as well. Comes with everything in the pack that you need to make this project. These are only $1.25 a piece. Another craft kit that they have is this ugly sweater kit. Now in this kit, you can make 2 different ugly sweaters in here that are kind of ornament sized, and it comes loaded with all kinds of accessories that you could use for the sweater or other projects you may have going on. These little houses are always so cute, and so these are the little cobblestone village houses. Now I've never seen this ski lodge one. That one is a new house to me, so I had to feature that one. Great to keep as is or to paint. And the candy house, this one here is the gingerbread and candy house. This one's really cute as well. In the craft section, look at these laser cut wood pieces. So these are little wood frames. You get 4 of these for $1.25. Some other wood items are these little cutouts here. Now these are really thick wood. They're cut like a shape of flowers. Really nice. You could use those through the spring or any time of year. They also have stars. So if you want to add stars to like a Christmas tree project or something like that, you get 8 of these for $1.25, you guys. Really great for wood accessories. These are really cute as well. So these are kind of like that wood burned effect. These are little dinosaurs on these pieces. I love these little cute things. If you're decorating a children's room and want to paint or decorate with wood items and keep it like neutral, stain it or paint it. I found 3 different ones here. Now on a different shelf in the store, I found this little guy hanging out. Really cute and it's fun. You put him on the shelf and he kind of rocks back and forth. That's adorable. Some other wood items are these laser cut pieces. Now these are great to accessorize any kind of craft that you might want. Little birds, flowers, butterflies, all kinds. If you are a coffee or tea drinker, cocoa, they have these layered little pieces. These are also wood that you can use in your projects. They had a bunch of words too. This is the only one I saw today with sunshine, friend, and different versions of hello. So you could definitely check those out for crafts. And then they had a bunch of different arrows, great for boho type of decor or anything you may want to make. Check out these little canvases. These are so cute. So these are the mini canvases. Now they are cute, but honestly, Dollar Tree, I think you should have put these at least in a double or triple pack for $1.25. But this is a new item. I've never seen it. And they had different sizes like triangles and hearts. There's a circle back there. There's also a hexagon. So if you want to use these for small decoupage type of projects, Christmas ornaments, they would be really cute, but they are $1.25 for canvas pieces. If you are into doing resin, clay, or plaster molding, check out these silicone molds. I've seen these all the time in the plus section, but I'm so glad they have the different silicone molds in the $1.25 section now that you can use to make coasters or little decorative pieces. All kinds of ideas. I saw the 3 different ones with the little heart and the little flower, or you can get a round coaster. They also had another one that you could use like for earrings. That one I know I've seen in the plus section, but they now have it for $1.25. Now I suggest you get 2 of these if you're making earrings because it only has 1 mold for each one of the sizes on this piece. On to the makeup section, and I have hit the palette motherload. This Tahari little palette is so cute. This is an eyeshadow palette. It does have a mirror in it. They also have another Tahari Beauty one. This is the Orchid Sun eyeshadow palette here. Really nice for only $1.25. This one is called the Pro Artist. This one is a blush palette, and it has 10 different shades on there. And it even has instructions on the back on how to utilize and apply the colors. This Color & Co. Good to Glow palette is really nice. This is a highlighter palette, and it does include 6 shades on this one. Another Cosmic Colors palette is this one. So this one is really nice. It was hard to find one intact because a lot of them were cracked or broken, but I did find some good ones. This is a highlight collection with 10 different colors. This Color Co. Baby Doll Glow Cheek palette is really nice. It has a mirror, also has 3 shades included in that palette. This is new. So this is a Serene fragranced body oil kit. If you look at the body oils in this package, it has little flecks of glitter in there. I thought that was a neat item. This is a Cosmic, this is a liquid highlighter. I've never seen this liquid highlighter before. Brand new item at the Dollar Tree. Now this Color Co. Aurora eyeshadow palette is really nice. I love all the colors with it. It's got those nice earthy tones, which I love. Really nice item. All of these items are $1.25, you guys. This Color Code Wild Child liquid eyeshadow is a 3-piece collection. I thought this was neat. You guys keep in mind, Christmas is coming up. These make great gifts and stocking stuffers. This Color Co. Girl Bye liquid lip color. This comes in a 4-shade collection in this one. And then they have this Color Co. Spot On kit. Now this comes with an eyeliner, mascara, and a lipstick, a 3-pack set. All of these are just $1.25. Such a great deal. Here's some new body washes that I spotted. The Be Pure line is coming out with these shimmer body washes. So here is the gold shimmer one. They have the blue shimmer one, which is nice. And then the last one is pink shimmer. I've been hearing great things about the pink shimmer one. You guys let me know if you have tried these shimmer body washes. For kitchen items, look what's back. I saw this back at multiple stores. These are those acrylic wine holders. I'm so glad to see these back. They can be used for wine, but also what about water bottles or things in your craft room? Such a handy little item to have. They also have some new plastic straws. These are the heavy duty plastic straws that come in a 4-pack. Now these are suitable for those 40-ounce tumblers. If you're looking to replace your existing straw, you can definitely get this 4-pack for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So be on the lookout for that in the paper goods section. These are always a favorite that return during the Christmas holidays. These are those candy jars with the gold lids. I think the gold lids really just set this off. It makes it look like a high-end item. So get them while they do last. If you're looking for storage for the holidays, they do have a new storage collection out in the popular red, white, and green colorways. If you're looking for Christmas storage, this is so really cute. I love these long baskets that they have. They have that woven texture on the outside, but these are nice and large. So if you love making large gift baskets, these would be perfect. Another item that's really large is this bucket style with the 2 handles. You can fill it with all kinds of goodies and wrap that in cellophane as well. Now at the bottom, they did have the stackable bins, which are a favorite in the red, white, and the green. I love that these are stackable, really nice. And I didn't forget, they did have the little round ones on the shelf as well in all 3 colors. I love this one as well. I love the new storage collection items at Dollar Tree. I couldn't leave without seeing all the new socks. They have the Ren and Stimpy and Peanuts here. Now, I went through and found all the new ones I hadn't seen before because I wanted to show you guys. I know there's a few people who watch my channel who all collect these socks, who want to see what's new out there. So I wanted to show you all the ones that I've seen at my store that were new to me. They seem to be arriving every day. I get something new. So whether it's Spider-Man, Peanuts, and look, they even have a Scooby-Doo, a favorite, and they had some more Peanuts, and I love a Tom and Jerry. I grew up on Tom and Jerry, so I was really excited to see the Tom and Jerry socks. They did have Rugrats and all of the Disney classic Pooh socks. I saw several different versions of Winnie the Pooh, so if you are a Winnie the Pooh fan, definitely check those out at the Dollar Tree as well. If you love South Park, they had all of the characters for South Park in the socks. I was excited to see this as well. I do have a South Park fan in my family. More Disney socks were around the corner, including the Villains line. They had the Pixar with the Toy Story. They had classics like Snow White and Lion King. All kinds to choose from. Just be on the lookout for those. And check this out. These Encanto briefs, they are a 7-pack for little girls. They had size 4 and 6 at my store. I'm looking for larger ones, but they did have 4 and 6, and for 7 pairs for $1.25 is a deal. Great to grab for donations. Now they had new air fresheners I'd never seen before. You guys, these are so good. So they had this one, which is a satin wood fragrance. I really like that one. That one's nice. Now next to it, they had Paradise, Peach, and Mango. This one actually made my eyes roll in the back of my head because it smells amazing. So I definitely picked up 2 of that fragrance. The last one here is the sparkling, is it lychee and pine? I saw that one. They have that one. That one is more of a Christmassy kind of smell, in my opinion, with the pine. Really nice. Now, along with that, they have wax melts to match them, and all of those fragrances I mentioned, whether you wanted the satin wood, the paradise peach, and mango, which is here, and they have this sparkling lychee and pine. They also had another one that I didn't see in the sprays yet, and that one was Island Vanilla and Cashmere. I hadn't seen a spray for that, but I'm on the lookout. Now for your vehicle, a new fragrance they had was by Bahama & Co. Now this is Oahu Island Splash. I've never seen those before, but you get a 4-pack of these air fresheners, which is a good deal. Some of the new Home Bright cleaners have finally showed up at my store. Here is the glass cleaner available. I also finally found the Home Bright fruit and vegetable wash. I haven't seen that before. So I'm seeing all these new Home Bright items come out, and they all have coordinating packaging, which is nice and clean. Here is the wood floor cleaner. If you have wood floors, here's a cleaner that you can grab for that. Now all of these are $1.25. Another item was the dish detergent. I found that item as well. So if you're looking for these items, just wait a few weeks. They'll eventually show up at your stores. Now there's a few food items I wanted to highlight. This Palermo chili garlic sauce was a new arrival to my store. I love them because they're all fresh and in date, and I could just throw them on the shelf and use them when I need them. Another Palermo item is this grinder. This is a glass grinder with the chili garlic with sea salt. I love these glass grinders, you guys. So if you see that, you might want to grab it because those tend to go really fast. So now I'm going to walk over to the plus section. There's a few items I wanted to feature, including these little slippers. Now, these are the licensed name brand version of the slippers that are really, really thick and cozy. So they had fluffy stuff here. They also had blow pop. Now, these are all just $3, but guys, they are licensed. They're totally worth it. You could get the Tootsie Roll for $3. And also, if you're a fan of Junior Mints, they have that all lined with that nice cozy cottony feel. They have double bubble and dots as well. If you are a fan of the movie It, they have these 6-pack of socks, you guys. You get 6 pairs in one pack, and guess, it's only $5. You get 6 pairs for $5. So that's even better than the $1.25 a pack socks. So definitely grab these if you are a fan of It and Pennywise. Some Christmas items that I always enjoy are these. So these are back from last year. These are the fragrance warmers. These would be perfect for those wax melts that I showed you earlier in this video. They had 4 different styles. You could plug it in and place your little wax melt on top. Really cute item to have for Christmas. And check out these big old balls, y'all. These are the big Christmas bulbs or balls. They are $5, but you guys, I've never seen them this big at the Dollar Tree before. So they did have different color combinations. You can choose a solid one with glitter, like gold with glitter, or you can choose like a red with glitter. They had some red and white combinations that include green. So many different ones to choose from. You definitely want to choose them early because large items like this tend to go pretty quick. Some electric items that I wanted to feature was this. This is a 10-foot remote control neon LED light strip. It has 15 functions and multiple colors. If you want to use it on your PC, on your room, on your bed, the teens seem to be heavy into this item for only $5. And this item here, this $5 Wi-Fi smart bulb, this has a multiple lighting option, totally hands-free because it is controlled by an app. Let me tell you, technology is just getting so far ahead of us. I love that it has a remote option and you can control it by an app. And the great thing, it's $5. I've always wanted to try this. It's much more on Amazon. So I definitely bought this and I will be showing you later how this works. It's really cool. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, earlier in this video, I featured a bunch of new makeup palettes and other beauty products from the Dollar Tree, and I did pick up a bunch for a giveaway. Now, I will be giving away a group of 5 items to 2 lucky winners. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. Just leave a comment below answering this question. What are 3 items that you always buy from the Dollar Tree? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, October 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, October 23rd to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I will also respond directly to your comment if you are a winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave in a gift emoji or the word gift in the comment along with your answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules that will be in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck in the contest today. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.